Hacktubers, and welcome back to my channel. I 3D printed a Bitcoin, but it's not worth anything yet. You can see that the 3D printed Bitcoin turned out pretty cool using metal PLA filament with this color, which is bronze, some kind of that. It's not gold, and the letter B that I paint with marker in black color. It's cool, but it's worthless right now. Also, if you want to download the 3D thing, I will put a link in description below, so you can 3D print it yourself a Bitcoin. The next step to make to worth something this plastic Bitcoin, I'm gonna place a solid 0.001 Bitcoin in this using a web address bitaddress.org to get the keys and the secret address, and later, after you do that, you will need to print out your secret code just like this one. Someone will try to scan through the video, but will not work, and you're gonna glue it under the Bitcoin. Using glue, to place the QR code under the Bitcoin. Okay, little sticky, but it will dry. Okay, that's it. So the 3D printed Bitcoin now worth 0.001 Bitcoin, that right now that is around $50, and you know that Bitcoin is very popular currency. Maybe in the future, in 10 years, this will worth, I don't know, $500, maybe $1,000. I invest $50, need to wait 5 or 10 years and pick up my reward. Till then, this Bitcoin will be stored, physically stored somewhere. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy in today's different video. Please subscribe and see ya in the next video. I like this. This is a great idea.